Hi guys, it's Daz here from Review, and today I've got a couple of cool games actually to show you this evening. Nothing too strenuous, just those kind of games that you want to play when you're just trying to waste a little bit of time, and no doubt you'll recognise this one. It's a 1970s classic Rubik's Cube. So as you'll see, it's an official app from Rubiks.com, and it's very, very simple. So we can see the white face there, and what you'll notice is if I hold and rotate on these layers, you'll see that I can turn them around just as you would expect on a Rubik's Cube. You can also do it in the center there as well. Now, turning around the individual layers is all well and good, but actually sometimes you're going to need to see the other faces, and to do that you actually hold on the center of the screen and turn the Rubik's Cube around like so. As I get to settings, it's simply a case of a single click in the center there, and now I can work my way through all of the menu options within the application. So it's a very nicely implemented settings menu there, and you'll see that that allows us to simplify the cube. Speaker command, scramble, we've got a button for scramble, and of course if you're a big fat cheater you can solve it as well. As you'll see, it's really responsive, it's really neat. They made great effort to give you a sort of three-dimensional experience on your watch. They couldn't have simplified the controls anymore, and if you're a bit of a Rubik's Cube addict, this would be a really great game for you. One thing I would say is it might be nice if we could have some visibility of what the other sides look like without having to turn around the cube, and so maybe using some of the space we've got around to actually show some of the other faces, the adjacent faces. All in all though, Rubik's Cube is really cool. There's a link in the description. It's totally free, and I can see myself whiling away quite a few hours with this one. Next up is actually a really pretty app called Burj Builder, and this has been built using the Unity framework. It's a really simple game, and I actually haven't explored or played any games that are like this one. So the concept's very simple. If I press play, at the moment you can see that top block movement side to side there, and that's a theme for the game. And so the idea is we stack building elements on top of each other, trying not to have any overhang, because if we have any overhang we'll lose that bit of the building. So it's very important to line up the building pieces, especially from the start. As you'll see, when you have a bad start like I just did, there's really nowhere to go. So the concept's very simple. You really must make sure that you start strong and make sure that that very first piece is fairly wide. You'll see that it's not perfect for a circular watch face, because the bit where the building actually comes in is at the top, where it's already sort of bowing inwards. However, it's doable, and as you'll see, it's a real fluid game. It's really reactive. It's another high quality one, and it's actually quite fun and enjoyable. As long as you've got good senses and good response and reaction times, you can actually have quite a lot of fun with this. But when it gets to that sort of level, it gets pretty hard. Like I say, Burj Builders, it's another good one, totally free. Get it on the Play Store. So thanks very much guys, that's another quick 2 game reviews for you this evening, and join me soon for the next one. Thanks a lot, see you soon.